To my husband, I don't even know where to begin. Thank you for being the calm to the storm, my loudest laugh, and my quietest peace. I feel so lucky to walk into this next chapter of life with you by my side. Thank you for laughing at my jokes and for putting up with my endless spreadsheet.
Wow! Look at you!
Watching you two together feels so natural, like it was just meant to be. The way you balance and support each other is such a beautiful thing. You're not just a stunning couple, you're a true team.
So tonight, let us not just celebrate a wedding, but a union of two families, the start of a beautiful journey, and the promise of the lifetime together.
You are the most compassionate and driven person I have the pleasure of knowing. You've changed my life in these past 5 years, 10 months, and 4 days, and I can't wait to live out our future together.